Hello everyone, I don't know, see Duke again. Just want to do a little video for y'all and show y'all what I've been up to, what I got in the mail. So I'm gonna do what I've been waiting on right here. See if I can open this with one hand. Maybe. Ordered this the other day. I've been waiting on my LiPo battery. Get my little knife and open up the bag. Get this out the way. I've seen a few of the guys on the channel use some of these batteries, so I hope it's a good battery. There's a little happy face. I mean, this little bad boy right here to run my truck. Get it out of this package here. There it is. Look, it's just a 2S LiPo battery. It's 5200 milliamp 80C discharge. Nice battery. That's gonna make her go. It's the hard case. That's what I like about it. Hard case. Had that in the mail. And went to town the other day. Got me these tools. Got me work on my truck. Nice little tool set. The hex drivers. The ball head ends on them. Pretty nice. All kind of sizes. Under the little stand. Get this off. Got this one right here. Like the little stand it come with. Pretty nice. Got the regular. I also got the metric. Let's see what this is. I'm taking them out the box yet. I got these right here. They help me work pretty good on my vehicles. Got this plastic off. Right now we're having some bad weather over here, so I figured I could do a little something on the inside today. There's the other set. Nice, love it. These have the regular ends on them. Back in there. Just a little quick short video. What came in. It's another connection that came with the battery. Fill out the box. And one more thing I wanted to show y'all on my truck. First I'm putting me some little fans on my, guess I can see that. From a little dual fan thing, rigged it up myself on top of my motor, because this motor didn't come with no fans, it just came with the little heat sink. The way I rigged it up works real good. The motor stays pretty cool. I mean, I only ran it on my little 1500 milliamp battery that I had, and it stayed cool with those little fans. I think it's gonna work pretty good. As soon as I get some good weather down here, do me a little test run, my little monster. That's all I wanted to show y'all. My little goodies that I got in, my tools. I finally got my battery in. Nice battery. Alright. Thanks everybody for watching my videos. Really appreciate it. You can give me a thumbs up. Y'all have a great day, everyone. ARRMA Granite out.